President Rodrigo Roa Duterte protected us. He gave us the streets to ordinary. He gave the streets to ordinary Filipinos. He made us realize that there are so many things that we can achieve as a nation. He gave us opportunity because taxi drivers, vendors, they can work late at night without worries that they are going to be held up at gunpoint, that they are going to be mugged. Taxi drivers, vendors, they can roam around at night, work their ass off without feeling worried. And no president cared that much for small Filipinos like them, unlike PRRD. So I hope foreigners who are, foreigners who might want to check out what's going on in the Philippines, please look deeper and do not just believe what the mainstream media is telling you about our president. Listen to the Filipinos, listen to us who really experience his leadership. He can't be loved this much and commit crime against humanity. He gave a safe space, security, order, and that is equivalent to more opportunities to small Filipinos because he cared, because that was his promise.